it's crazy to be here, and I'm so excited to crack on.
Back to Piggott to look for Bishop. Bishop, 3-2 Portsmouth!
Every time I put the shirt on, I'll work as hard as I can. Obviously, I'm going to get loads of chances, and I'm hoping that I can put them away.
They send it flat to the far post, and it's being attacked across the base of goal, and it's in! Colby Bishop has scored! And Colby Bishop has glanced Pompey in the lead.
Been excellent from the spot this season, and scores again from 12 yards.
Bishop, it's gone into the net. The far post header is into the net. Flag stays down. Bishop off the post and in. Bishop, short run up. Bishop scores.
What are your aspirations for next season?
Promotion. I think, speaking to the gaffer, I think a club this size and with the talent and the players that we've got and the ambition, I think there's no reason why we can't put our minds to that.
Colby Bishop! Bishop scores! And Bishop scores! Kamara across into the middle! And Bishop puts the ball into the net! Bishop steps up and scores! To Bishop! There's the goal! Bishop steps forward and scores! Colby Bishop steps up, scores! And the ball is going to go into the net! And Portsmouth have got themselves back on level terms! Carman dropped it, and Bishop's put it in the back of the net! Bishop has got it into the back of the net! Brilliantly finished by Colby Bishop!
Bishop sends the keeper the wrong way, tries to flick it to Bishop. 3-1.
Rafferty into Bishop. Bishop trying to turn it to Kamara in the area. Kamara pass one. Kamara scoring. Colby Bishop steps up and scores! Away to the keeper's right. And that might be the goal that secures Portsmouth's return to the Championship.
The obvious place to start, Colby Bishop. What's the story there?
Thankfully, everything was cleared there, and because we've been doing all the work on the training pitch and keeping him at it, and he's been with the first team now for a number of weeks. It's been great to welcome him back.
It was a huge shock to everyone that Colby Bishop was in this lineup. A goal would realistically seal the win for Portsmouth. Colby Bishop steps up and scores! Bishop is back! They give the ball away inside their own penalty area, and Bishop's got a chance, a brilliant save, and then Bishop puts the ball in the back of the net. Chance for Portsmouth, Bishop scores! 4-0! Bishop gets his goal! Bishop steps up right footed and scores! And he might break into the area, he's found Bishop, it's a chance!